Yo, what is up guys, and welcome to this video. If you didn't watch the last video, I basically just changed this. Instead of using these brackets, I just used this sort of code for color schemes. I think it's called hexacode or whatever. But for now, let's try to make these two cubes render. Let's try to animate them. So let's say function render. We wanna set the time so we can convert the time into seconds. Let's have it down here below. What do we want to say? And we'll say time times equal 0.001. That will be convert time to seconds. What else do we have? So we also want to have for each cube. No, let's say we want to take the array cubes that for each cube and the ndx, let's just say place a bracket here. We want to say the const speed equals 1 plus ndx times 0.1. What else? Then we can say const rotation, let's just call it rot, equals time times speed. And cube dot rotation dot x equals rot. Cube dot rotation dot y equals rot. And let's see here. So we do get the time. Oh, we should probably set this to the we should probably set render. What can we call it? We will just say crashed animation frame render crashed animation frame. We will just say no, just call main. Should we call this one again? There we go. So now we've made the two other cubes rotate instead of the first one. The thing is just that in the first function that we have, function animate, we basically we're only rendering this particular cube. But now we are rendering every cube that we have in this array cube, and we don't have this red one in this array of cubes, so it doesn't really rotate. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment down below. See you in the next one.